Hey Luffy, are you tired of going to school?
Well, yes, I keep on getting F's on my report card.
Same here.
Me too.
Me 3.
Hello everyone, welcome back to US History. We are going to use our Chromebooks to go to Google Slides to make a project about the US history.
Man, I have to use the bathroom. What should I do? Oh, I have an idea.
Yes, Simon.
May I use the bathroom, please?
Yes, Simon, but come back at 10 minutes. All right everyone, let's get out of the building. Looks like Simon, Mahiro, Jason, Luffy, Big Fabio and Lindsay is here.
Hello, everyone. That is not a drill. It was a false alarm. But, Simon, come to my main office. I repeat, come to my main office, please. Thank you.
Can I help you?
No, you have some explaining to do, mister. I already checked the cameras, and you are the one who pulled the fire alarm. Pull station zone 45, explain for yourself.
Yes, I did pull the fire alarm. I'm so sorry.
Did you know that pulling a fire alarm is a crime? He only do fire alarm drills every month. That's it. You have to pay the fine of $1,200 for pulling the fire alarm due on Friday.
And also, you are suspended for 500 years.
Go home right now.
Simon, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You know that is a crime. That's it. You're so grounded for 67676767676767676767676767676767676 years. Go to your room right now.
You are grounded.